Hey guys, today I wanted to give you all a few pointers on shopping for new construction homes in new construction communities. New construction homes are especially popular with first time buyers, so I want to spread as much knowledge as I can so that you can be armed and ready. And so, without further ado, here are my 4 tips for buyers shopping new construction. Number 1, make sure you get a home inspection. It's really easy to feel like you don't need an inspection in a new home, but hey, mistakes happen and you don't want to be stuck with them once they hand you the keys. Remember, you can't just call the leasing office to come fix things anymore. Number 2, read over the contract and have your realtor and lender do the same. On a regular home sale, there are pretty standard contracts used, and most people are familiar with those. The builders, on the other hand, get to use their own contracts, so you got to make sure your interests are represented adequately and you understand the terms and stipulations of the contract. Number 3, you can negotiate everything but the price, so do it. So what that means is new construction home prices are pretty fixed, meaning unlike traditional home sale, there's no bidding. As I used to tell my preschool students, you get what you get and you don't pitch a fit. It sucks, but what you can do, however, is negotiate everything else. That includes upgrades, finishes, appliances, you name it. And often when you decide to go with the builder's preferred lender, you can get some, if not all of your closing costs paid for. Finally, and y'all knew this was coming, for the love of Beyonce, please use a realtor. It's important to know that everyone involved in this transaction besides you works for the builder. So the listing agent, lender, title company, they all have their own best interests at heart. So you need someone to look out for you, to negotiate those finishes, appliances, closing costs, to help you understand that complicated contract. Trust me, it costs you nothing because your agent's commission is built into the home price anyway, whether you use one or not. So use one. So yeah, there you have it. My tips on buying new construction. As always, please don't hesitate to reach out with your questions. My line is always open.